Physics Challenge 2, the condition for balancing the mobile. This question is how the rigid bodies rotate around the center of gravity. Basically, what you do is to figure out all the torques around the center of gravity. This is the center of gravity. Okay, now the torques, you add them up, all become zero. That means the rigid body, this is the rigid body, will not rotate. Okay, so torques is arm A times mg, the force. The same way mg and arms B. So external multiplication of this each leg, you add up all the torques, become zero. Okay, so this multiplication is going to give you the vertical distance A and B. So this is the condition for the rigid body to be stable, not to rotate. Okay, using the same method, you can find out the center of gravity of the arbitrary shape disk. Well, we can do 3D too, but let's see disk for easy case. You pin this and make it movable, so it's settled somewhere by the gravity, right? Okay, what's happened is each weight here, density low, is gonna be creating the torque to move this way. Another density low is gonna create the torque to move this way, and left side and the right side is going to balance out. So what you do is area integral of area density and G, that's a force, right? Okay, times vertical distance X. Okay, and location dV. So this one equals the right side rho G, this distance Y dV. So distance is actually, if you take this vector A, it's A, length of A and sine theta, right? So this is the vertical distance to this line. Okay, so that's the condition. After you establish this line, which is this one, you rotate, you do same thing, pin this one and let it movable. So it's gonna establish another line to divide disk into right side and left side, which has torque balanced out. So if you hold this point, it's going to hold it steady without any movement. That's going to be center of gravity. Okay, so for the 3D, what you do is 3D potato, you hold, then you define the plane and you rotate it, you establish this plane, you do same thing, then it's make it movable, so it's going to establish another plane. So center of gravity is on this line, so you have to do one more time because the freedom of motion, the 3 degree. So you have this, that's established line, and you have another one, and that's gonna pinpoint one location. That's gonna be the center of gravity. Okay, so this is all about center of gravity. In order to not to rotate around the center of gravity, the integration of all the torque has to be equal amount. Okay, so that's what this basic equation is. I hope you enjoy watching these videos, and please check other videos if you like. Please subscribe.